Welcome to the Bicle Business Show. You may know us from last summer during Eurobike. We did some interviews there with exhibitors from the trade show. We thought this went so well that we decided to do it again. After some tweaking and brainstorming, here we are, a brand new Bicle Business Show. It's trends, it's people doing weird stuff on LEV, it's innovations, and it's upcoming events. And it's just under 15 minutes, so if you don't have much time, you can just watch it. Sit back, relax a little, and enjoy. This episode we will talk with Batteryterster. We see how a 12-month-old baby is rocking a hoverboard. We will have a short highlight of a very innovative product called Rbell. And we will talk with Taitra, the organization of Taipei Cycle show. So let's go! In one of the first episodes of the Bicle Business Show at Eurobike, we talked with Dekker. He's from Batteryterster. And 8 months later, I'm wondering how he's doing now and how the company's doing. So let's call him. Hey John, how are you doing? It's been a while, right? How's business?
I'm fine, thanks. Boy, business is really good. We had a very good year in the year 2018. And also the first month this year was really good. Although, of course, our product is very niche. We are testing e-bike batteries, also other batteries, rechargeable batteries. We think that with this small product we can contribute to efficient electrification.
Efficient electrification. Could you explain a little bit more about that?
Yeah, of course, the electrification is nice, but it has to be done efficiently, and our Batteryterster contributes to the efficient process of electrification. We would like to have our Batteryterster in all companies present in the column. So that means from e-bike manufacturer, e-bike battery producer, and of course the retailer. If there would be a Batteryterster in all these places, this can prevent sending batteries from retailer to e-bike manufacturer to the e-bike battery producer, and it would save a lot of costs on logistics, but of course also will decrease the CO2 exposure. Well, an example of efficient electrification is that one of our customers, which is an insurance company in Germany, they are selling e-bike insurances in which also the battery of the e-bike is being included. And what is really good is that they also insure loss of capacity. So a battery after 4 years should have, let's say, a capacity of 60%. If it's below, then the insurance company will pay for that. And what they said is they don't want to be overloaded with batteries, of course. So what they claim is that a consumer who bought an insurance, an e-bike insurance, including the e-bike battery, they should go to one of the retailers in Germany. And as we have a quite good presence in Germany with different e-bike shops, the consumer can go there. The Batteryterster, of course, is being used to do a test, and the reports being sent digitally to the insurance company, and based on the result it will be decided if it's a warranty or if they get a new battery or not. So I think this is a good example.
All right, thanks and for your time, and it was nice talking to you again. All right, man.
Thank you.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
So we all know the hoverboard, right? It made its appearance a couple of years ago, mostly through the internet. I think most people will know it from the internet. At least I do. I've never ridden it. So if anyone is watching who is making such things, send it to Bicle because I want to try it and I want to be famous on the internet. So please do. One of the things that stands out is that most people are having a very hard time riding it. This guy, for instance. Or that girl. Looks painful. Even the mighty Mike Tyson doesn't know how to ride a thing like that. But for some reason, little kids don't have any problems with that. I don't know how. Maybe it's a low point of gravity. Maybe it's because they know how to hoverboard earlier than they know how to walk. I don't know. But this 12-month-old baby knows how to rock it. Let's check it out. Every road cyclist has the same problem, whether it's professional or recreational. When they have to take over another cyclist, they have to shout very loudly, like, "Get out move!" And most of the time it's seen as very rude, or use a bell which isn't loud enough. Luckily, 2 Dutch guys have invented the Rbell. It's a revolutionary bell, because it's not just a bell. It's a mount, it's a bell, and it's a light. So, mount, bell, light. It's 3 things. The reason why we don't have the Rbell yet here in the studio is because it's going to be on Kickstarter very soon. So, stay tuned to Bicle and stay tuned to Rbell for more information, and do support this Kickstarter project because it's very promising. As we all know, Taipei Cycle this year will be in the end of March, but we've been there in November already as well, right? So let's ask the organization, Taitra, why we should go this year as well, early in the season, and what has changed. So let's ask them. So hey Andrea, I was just telling the viewers here why we should all go to Taipei Cycle and what has changed in the last months. So could you explain that to me?
I would say the biggest changes in comparison to last year's will be one word, is energetic. We have more new energies getting into our show this year. I would say that in 3 different aspects. First of all, it's on the e-bikes. Secondly, would be we would like to have a new thing. It's called Taipei Cycle Plus. What does it mean by plus? We would like to add potential technologies or potential applications that can be used on cycling or make your cycling even safer. And the third one will be our industry forums. For the topics this year, we put more emphasis on the soft perspectives.
And then the second question, why should we all go this year?
I would say there are a couple of reasons. As I have mentioned that for the market trend, e-bikes is growing fast. So we have expanding the e-bikes sectors, and you can find drive units and motors or batteries providers, manufacturers in this area as well. Our theme pavilion, Taipei Cycle Plus, we would like to display the potentials and different possibilities that you can use and help to make cycling life even safer. So that would be a totally different perspective when you are looking at the cycling industry. So we would like to present all these different elements that for all the visitors, and I hope that you will enjoy these new changes.
All right, thanks Andrea, that's a very convincing answer. I mean, we from Bicle, we will go, but if you are not convinced yet, just watch this video and you definitely will.
Taiwan has been very important in the development of electric bicycles. They were early. They've been the leaders in top quality, top technology. Some of the big Taiwanese bicycle companies are the most important brands in the electric bicycle world as well.
have a complete value chain here in Taiwan. So it's so easy for us to do the vertical and horizontal integration and to maximize the profit and the speed to the market. The distance between the consumer, enterprise, and the factories are going to be a lot shortened because of the IoT.
Alright, this was already the end of the first Bicle Business Show. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give a thumbs up, do subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.